Verdict is in. Michael Jackson-Bolanos found not guilty of first-degree murder, but he was found guilty of at least one charge, and his legal troubles are far from over. CBS News Detroit's Walter Murphy has the details.
The friends that talked to me didn't want to do an interview, but they did tell me they're devastated. And not because of that verdict, it's because they're still without their friend who was brutally murdered last October. The defense attorney was also not happy with the partial verdict, holding steadfast to Jackson-Bolanos' innocence.
Mr. Foreperson, will you please read the verdict form?
On Thursday, the trial for the murder of Detroit's downtown synagogue president Samantha Woll,
as to count 1, first-degree felony murder,
ended in a partial verdict. The jury found defendant Michael Jackson-Bolanos guilty of lying to police, not guilty of first-degree premeditated murder, but deadlocked on charges of first-degree felony murder and of breaking into Woll's home on the night of October 21st.
So it's a partial win. It's not the win that I believe that's coming.
Jackson-Bolanos' attorney, Brian Brown, told CBS News Detroit that's not the outcome he wanted, as his client is back behind bars tonight awaiting a decision from the state on whether or not he will have to be retried for the 2 charges the jury got hung up on.
I'm pretty confident that the prosecutor already knows whether or not what their decision is. I think they just didn't want to put it on the record in front of the news today.
The prosecutor didn't speak outside of the courthouse, but did give a statement that reads in part, "We will press on for justice for the Wolls and will determine our next course of action at the pretrial hearing." The Woll family also released a statement that thanked the investigators, prosecutors, as well as the jurors. They added, "This senseless tragedy leaves us with holes in our heart that will never heal, but Samantha believed in a world of kindness and peace. We hope that as a society, we can continue to strive for good in Samantha's honor." Now that decision from the state on how to proceed with the murder is expected to come down by next Thursday. Walter Murphy, CBS News, Detroit.